Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to switch between Instagram accounts on your iPhones. Now, this will work similar on Android phones if you guys are on Android, but if you guys have multiple accounts on Instagram that you're logged into at once, I'm going to show you guys how to switch between those very easily. So now, once you're on Instagram and you're on the homepage like I am right here, all you guys have to do to switch between your accounts is just click and long press on the bottom profile option in the bottom right corner. And then you should see multiple accounts pop up here. These are all the accounts that you're currently logged into on your phone. Another way that you guys can do it too is if you're on your profile page here and you click on the name of the account at the very top, it will then pop up this again to switch between accounts. And then all you have to do is just click on the account you want to switch to, and then it will log you into that account right there. Very, very easy and simple to do. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to switch Instagram accounts on your iPhones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.